How nice are these buildings here? That's a cool building. Cross Club, we're going to try and find Cross Club. I think it's somewhere down this way. That's what we told. I'm told to turn right, then left. Some more nice graffiti there. There's a fair amount of graffiti on the walls in Prague, nowhere near to the same extent as in Bratislava though. Kids do enjoy to tag the walls. I was here. Going the wrong way. I've got to go back up this street. I think I must have followed the directions wrong. Some more graffiti on the walls here in Holešovice. Look, a little bit of dereliction here. I found there doesn't seem to be a massive amount of derelict buildings in most of the Prague districts I've been to, but you do see the odd one. Not like in Bratislava where there's derelict buildings all over the place, but yeah, I don't mind the odd derelict, but I'd like to be able to get inside and explore them, but they all look like they're well secured. Some like block housing there. Then I see like communist style block housing. Here we have it, Cross Club. We found it. It's on, however you say that, Plivnani? Mechanical, steampunk kind of style. Club bar, whatever. Park out the back as well. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's a stage. Antique shop feel to this part. I've been told that on a night you get a few people in here who like to take heroin, that kind of thing. That's what I've been told. I don't know, I haven't seen it for myself, so bear that in mind if you want to come here on a night time. But they do have live concerts out And the park area out the back as well. Check the Cross Club website or the Facebook page for what events are happening. There's this, you can see all the barrels, look, lined up. Yeah, a lot of these things are closed off. There's different parts of it that are closed off, maybe be opened up on a night time when there's events on. So that was Cross Club. If I come back here on a night time, you might get to see some more parts of it that are open at the minute, but for now, this is the Cross Club. Another exit there. Let's go out the front or out the back, whatever you want to call it. See what it looks like. I don't know who put all this together, but I like it. It is well cool, all the little gears and mechanical parts. Oh, no entry? Yeah, they're setting up for something here. I'll have to try and find out what the performance is, if they're gonna have a band on or something sometime soon. Check that out. That was Cross Club. Yeah, this is Holešovice on the west side of Prague, Prague 7. It's definitely worth a visit. There's some cool stuff to see and do here, so definitely come to Prague 7 when you're in Prague. So I gotta say, yes,